What is a bush bearing? A bush bearing, also called a sleeve bearing, is a simple plain bearing used to support rotating or sliding shafts. It is usually a cylindrical metal or polymer sleeve placed inside a housing. The shaft rotates inside the bush, while lubrication reduces friction between the surfaces. Bush bearings are commonly made from bronze brass babbitt material for self-lubricating polymers. These bearings are widely used in electric motors, pumps, fans and saglural machines automotive systems. Major advantages of bush bearings are simple design, low cost, quiet operation, easy maintenance. Some bush bearings are self-lubricating, which means they can operate with very little external lubrication. But if lubrication fails, wear increases rapidly. Simple engineering rule: less friction is equal to longer machine life. Follow for more practical engineering videos. Join our upcoming YouTube live session starting June 2026 every Sunday to learn mechanical designing by SolidWorks 2026, from sketching to professional 3D modeling, assembly and drawing creation, etc., and live interactive discussions, practical examples, and real engineering learning. Subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next live session. Follow for more practical engineering videos. If you found this video useful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon to receive future engineering-related updates.